Better. Come here, Bubby. Come here, ugly old dog. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Who's a good boy? You're getting your cookie later. Who's a good boy? Who's an ugly old dog? Come here. Who's a good boy? So ugly and old. I love you so much. You're very nice. Go. I didn't even flip him. Like, I just, like, went like that. Look at the fight. It's too dark over there. I don't feel like turning on the. So what you doing? Hold on, I gotta burp. Ugh, that was a nasty burp. Yeah. Ooh, what fell? Oh, it's my marker. Don't play with that. I know how you are. You'll probably break and like end up dying from it. There. Go ahead. Go. Just go. Just get out. Go. Get out of the house. Come on. You're evil to me. You can freeze to death outside. Go. Go before I kick you in the balls. Come on. Go. Oh, what the fuck is on my shirt? Look at the car. Get back in. Sylvester! Get back into the freaking house! Sylvester! Before you die. Yeah. Come here. I'm gonna pull you by the scruff. You're gonna end up dying from being hit by a car. Ah, your paws are wet. Ew. Touched me in the face. I love you. Hello? Oh my god. Oh, nothing. I just wanted to see if you're still here because it didn't seem like it. And that's the little toy that they're playing with. It's a freaking, like, frog that, like, makes ribbit sound when you touch it. It's just like, ribbit, ribbit, bananas. Come here, bubbies. Want a cookie? Did the puppies want a cookie? Did the puppies want a cookie? We gotta do a trick for me. Sit. Sit your ass little down. Sit. Good boy. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? So come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, bubbies. You fat, ugly dog. Come here. Babalo! Ow. I just hurt my hip. What the fuck was that? Mormons keep on coming to my house. It's scary. They asked if my parents were home. I said no. What I want to do is, like, when they ding on the doorbell and knock, like, open the door and be like, who's there? And then, like, close it. And then when they, like, just like, what the fuck, man? She just, like, closed the door on us, like, oh, shit. In the door with my foot. Like, you know, they ding on the doorbell, like, who was that? Like, why are you... Who's there? Is there someone, like, pranking me or something? And then just go back inside. Ding on the doorbell again. Hello? Who the hell is out there? And then, again, man, I don't like these people, whoever they are. I'm gonna get a gun. And then, like, shut the door forever and not open it. Like, acting like if they were dead or something. Come here, Pooh. I gotta make a lot of noise for him to come. The Muffin Man. I will call you right back, okay? Bye.